In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background from your video in Descript. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to web.descript.com. Once you arrive, sign into your account so you can access your projects in the browser editor. If you use Descript regularly, you'll likely land right on your project dashboard. If not, just take a moment to log in and make sure everything has fully loaded before moving on. Using Chrome is helpful here because it tends to work smoothly with web-based editing tools like Descript. Next, open the video project you want to work on. This will bring you into the browser editor where you can preview your footage and make adjustments directly online. Give the project a second to load completely, especially if the video file is large. A fully loaded editor makes it easier to find the controls you need and helps avoid clicking the wrong area by accident. Once your project is open, click directly on your video canvas. This is the main preview area where your video appears. Clicking the canvas is important because it tells Descript which visual element you want to edit. As soon as it's selected, the inspector panel on the right-hand side should appear. If you don't immediately see it, just make sure the video itself is selected and not another element in the project. Inside that right-hand inspector panel, look for the Effects section. This is where Descript keeps visual tools that can change the appearance of your clip. When you find it, click either green screen or remove background depending on what is available in your editor and what best fits your footage. These tools are designed to separate you or your subject from the background, making it easier to create a cleaner look or place the subject over a different scene. After you apply the effect, take a close look at the preview. Background removal works best when your subject is clearly visible and well separated from the surroundings. If the result looks good, you're all set. If it looks slightly rough around the edges, it may help to review the clip visually and confirm that the correct effect has been applied in the inspector. That's it. You've now opened your Descript project in Chrome, selected your video, accessed the inspector, and applied the background removal effect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.